Hello my friends, today I want to talk to you about drafting paper. We know it's much easier when you've drafted a pattern to put it on fabric because we have checked everything to see that everything is measured properly, but we find that at times this paper can be so costly. So today I've got different ways of how you can save money on paper for pattern making. I normally buy this one in a shop in London. It's really costly, and if you are making clothes and you make a mistake, you've got to go and buy it. It's pricey. So the first one which you can use, did you know that wrapping paper is really great? Wrapping paper is cheaper. You can get this in Poundland for £1, and you can make it, you can draft with this because it comes in longer rolls. So this is quite good. It's really cheap. You can actually save money on this one. The next one which I have is this khaki paper. Khaki paper also, you can get it from Poundland. It's very cheap as well, so you can make your mistakes, start and pattern making, cut and do your patterns with this paper. It's really cheap. It's £1 as well in Poundland. And the other one which I have is this one, the tissue paper. This one is cheaper as well, and you can make your mistakes, do whatsoever you want with your pattern making. It's really cheap. But guys, if you really want to save money, you go for newspaper. We have got loads of newspapers, so many newspapers which we read and throw away in the bin. This is your time saver. I've been using this for a long time, and it saves me money. What I like about newspapers is that even if you make a mistake, you haven't lost anything because it was going to go in the bin anyway. So check out this one, guys. I'll go back again. It's the newspapers, the khaki papers, the wrapping papers, and the tissue paper. But we have got our master, which is this one. It's pricey, but if you can afford it, you can use this one. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.